and welcome everyone to a short presentation about our 2022 annual results. I'm Sylvester and I'm the CEO of MBH Corporation, and we're here to share with you with the finance team a little bit into the numbers of last year. So just to give you a little bit of background to last year, our companies in the group faced yet another challenging year. There was lots going on with inflation, war zones and recruitment. Despite that, we still had a fantastic year and we're still continuing to push very, very hard this year. As we look into 2023, we're focusing on bringing more depth to those verticals and looking at how we can start to build those verticals with more acquisitions into the group, but then also a focus on how we can collaborate more within those verticals. So I'll hand over to Victor, who will tell us a little bit more about the results. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Vicky. Today I'm also joined by Susan Kwok, who will be the incoming CFO effective 1st of May 2023. So Susan has over 25 years in financial accounting and controllership for mid to large companies, and she's been supporting MBH for the past 18 months as our financial controller. So we welcome her to take on this leadership role.
Thank you, Victor. I really look forward in working with Vicky and the board to deliver our goals for 2023. However, first things first, a comment on the key profit and loss headline numbers for 2022. Total revenue was 142.8 million, which is up by 31% on 2021. EBIT was 3.4 million, which was down 34% on last year. And underlying EPS was 0.89 pence per share. And statutory fully diluted EPS was 2.01 pence per share.
Yeah, thanks, Susan. And it's definitely pleasing to see a record revenue for the group. Unfortunately, various factors faced by the world also impacted us materially, and the cost of delivering those revenue outweighed the gross profit earned from that revenue. As such, EBIT was down 34% on 2021. However, in terms of balance sheet, it remains healthy, and our current asset ratio is up approximately 28% on last year, and our net cash position also improved slightly. We finished at 6.5 million for 2022. So in summary, great top line result, and we know what we need to focus on and improve on for 2023, and look forward to delivering a good set of results for our shareholders in the upcoming year.
So a huge thank you to Victor and Susan and the whole MBH team that have worked very hard on pulling the results together this year for our end of year audit. But also, I can't go without saying a huge thank you to all the principals in the group who've worked extremely hard and are continuing to work extremely hard. And if anything, those results show that the power of the collaboration of the group and coming together has kept us in a profitable position and continuing growth. I would also like to thank obviously all of our stakeholders and all of our partners that we work with, and of course the shareholders and investors that are supporting us, and we hope to have your continued support for the forthcoming year. Thank you.
Find out more today at mbhcorporation.com.